to create new one. If you click here, you can see is add customers. We click add customer, so you can see this a new one. So you should add some name and contact information about all blank. So title, first name, maybe middle name, last name, suffix, so company name, email, and so. Also, you should add some information about address, billing address, and so also you can add a notes attachment, and so also you can add some payments, and you can click American Express, cash, maybe check, and so you can add some information about customer type. You can select there, or also you can write here. So you can add some tax information, so you can choose California or and so on. So also you can add some opening balance account, how many there have account balance, and then you can save it. And when you save it, you can see it as your customers, and you can click there. If you click there, you can see all customer information. So how many opening balance, summary, billing address, name, and all information. Also, you can see a transaction list, all about your customers.